In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can remove red eyes from a picture. So I'm just going to show you here this mechanism using Gimp, this process. So you can download and install Gimp for free and you can try it. And if you're interested, you will also find a video course in Gimp and other video guides. So these are examples of red eyes, but we need this type of red eye, which is kind of a problem that it's a reaction to the flash in the camera. So sometimes in night scenes or in general, like dark scenes, we have this problem of red eyes. So how we can remove it really quickly. So all I'm going to do here is just save one of these images. I'm going to take this one here from Wikipedia and let's see how it's going to work. So I'm going to open it up in Gimp. Now to do this, I'm going to go to File, Open directly, and I will select the red eyes PNG right here. And that's it. So now we have the image. And the process here is really quick. Just gonna hold Control and scroll the scroll wheel to zoom a little bit. You can see we have a lot of pixels here, but it's not a problem. We're just gonna make a test. And we're gonna go into filters because we just need to apply a specific filter for this. Let's go down and you have an entire section here called Enhance. So here is where you find all filters to improve your picture, your photo, to make it a little bit better. So you have like anti-aliasing or noise reduction, and there you go, red eye removal. So I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna remove right away the red eyes from the picture. Now you have only one parameter that is really important right here, that is the threshold. So be sure that the threshold is fine, because if it's too high, you can see it's gonna affect the whole picture and that's not good. And if it's too low, it's not gonna be able to remove the red eyes from the picture. So you need to find something in between. You can see the more I increase the threshold, the more those red eyes will go away. And I think, well, yeah, that's the correct threshold. Otherwise, then if it's too high than that, if it's higher than that, it's gonna affect too many parts of the picture. So I'm gonna stop right here. You can always fix it with other tools, but in the video, we're gonna only see this one. You have opacity. You can use another blending mode. You can try with another blending mode and see if you have a better result. But in general, I think it's gonna be the standard mode will be fine. So to replace the entire picture, but you can give it a try real quick. So let's bring it back to replace, and that's it. So one last thing you can do is split the view so you can see the before and after. And if you're happy with your result, just click OK, and that's it. So this is gonna be it for this quick video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated with other video courses and video guides that we're gonna publish. And also, if you wanna support us, if you wanna thank us, you can join the channel as a supporter. And check also our other video courses and video guides that you find in the channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.